Hey, so if you want a clean, secure place to store and share your team files, yeah, Zoho WorkDrive is a great option. In this guide, I'll show you how to set it up step by step. Alright, first, log in to your Zoho account and open Zoho WorkDrive from your apps list. Once you're in, you'll need to create your team workspace. Just enter your team name and basic details to get started. Next, invite your team members by entering their email addresses. This lets everyone access shared files. Now, create team folders. These are shared spaces where your team can store and collaborate on files. You can control who can view, edit, or manage files by setting permissions for each folder. So, yeah, everything stays secure. Start uploading your files, documents, images, videos, whatever your team needs to work on. You can organize files into folders, add comments, and even share links with others, making collaboration really smooth. Finally, you can sync WorkDrive with your computer or mobile device to access files anytime, anywhere. And yeah, that's it. Once set up, Zoho WorkDrive becomes your central hub for file storage and teamwork.